Hello everyone. Very good afternoon.
Hello, sir.
Good afternoon. So who all we have? We have Tanishka, we have Shriya, we have Bridge, and we have Prachi, we have Asha, we have Nabhya. I think Shaksham it is, right? Then we have Asta and Shlok. And our M1, M2 are missing. And some more. Okay. So welcome everyone. Hope everyone is completed attendance. If not, please quickly complete. You all know me, so no need to introduction, right? So am I audible? Am I visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sorry, Shlok?
Sir, you're audible and visible both.
Good. So now, guys, this is a different workshop. It's all about word problems. Let me show you the syllabus as you know already, but let's review what we're going to do in our elementary maths 3. We are going to do in elementary maths 3. Where is my elementary maths 3 here? Not this, not this, not this. See, this is a word problem special because many feedback I got from many of my students over the years, sir, how to handle word problems easily. So we'll solve very different type of word problems, various types. We may try problems on numbers, problem on different type of numbers, fraction, decimal, integers, mixed. We also try problem on whole numbers, prime numbers, percentage, ratios, times, debt, all mixed in 7 days. Not particular category one day, but objective is not which type of problem. Objective is how to handle, how to solve word problems. Real life problem, measurements, units, time, money, currency, expense. It's all about how you dissect. That's why obviously this workshop is interactive as always, and I'm going to give you the chance to explain how you interpret, how will you solve, and how will you analyze. And that's the objective. In the 7 days, you should be very strong enough to solve word problems by dissecting it, by analyzing it, and finally coming to a solution. Okay? That's the whole objective in the 7 days. Today we'll start with some simple problems and slowly we'll build upon more and more. Okay? So we'll start now. Word problems. What do you mean by word problems? Any one of you? When you say word problems means what? No one? Word problems means it's not like direct numbers are given or direct something is given, do add, subtraction. No. A question is given in the form of sentence. You have to understand the sentence and then we have to solve it. I'll try with very simple first question. No, it's not about answers. It's about how you approach. So, Bridge, Prachi, are you able to hear me? How are you?
Yes, sir.
Both of you are good? Okay. So, suppose my question is this. Bonnie has twice as many cousins as Robert. George has 5 cousins, which is 11 less than Bonnie has. How many cousins does Robert have? So, nobody will speak the answer. If you want, you can write the answer. Let me ask one of you. Say, suppose, Saksham. How will you approach this? How will you dissect this problem? How will you analyze this problem?
So Bonnie has twice as many cousins as Robert.
Correct.
George has 5 cousins, which is
Correct.
11 less than Bonnie has.
Correct.
How many cousins does Robert have?
So George has 5. Correct. And then what it says? 11 less than Bonnie. So Bonnie will have more or less?
Less.
Read this. Johnny has 5 cousins, which is 11 less than Bonnie. So who has more cousins? George has more or Bonnie has more?
Bonnie.
Correct. So Bonnie has more. If George has 11 less, it means Bonnie has 11 more, correct? What is 11 more than 5? Saksham, your voice becomes... Sorry?
16.
16. Because George has 5 cousins, which is 11 less than Bonnie has. So if George is 5, Bonnie will have 16 or not? 5 plus 11?
Yeah.
Let me write here for everybody. See, it's about eliminating, it's about analyzing this sentence first. So we got for George, we got for Bonnie now. What is the final question?
How many cousins does
Robert.
have?
No, Robert is mentioned in the first sentence, right? Read that.
Bonnie has twice as many cousins as Robert.
Means
So, Robert has 8.
correct, because half of 16. Then only Bonnie can have double, right? Twice means double. So 8.
Yeah.
Understood, everybody? So Robert has 8 cousins. So what we, Saksham, analyze and tell me in the summary, not the answer, what are the steps we took to analyze the problem and dissect the problem? First, we found out how much George has. We got number for George, correct? Then we know George and Bonnie relationship is given. George is 11 less than Bonnie. George is 5 and is 11 less than Bonnie. Then Bonnie has 11 more.
That's 5 and 11, so it's 16. And then they have asked how many cousins does Robert have, and in the first line, they have written that Bonnie has
Twice.
as many cousins as Robert. So the half of Bonnie's cousins are 8.
Correct.
So 8.
8 is the
So
final.
Robert has 8 cousins.
Very good. Thank you. That's how we solve, right, everybody? It's 8. It's simple, very simple. Mudit Maitreya, welcome. Why you are late? So 8 is the answer. We are solving. We start with the first problem. Yes, Mudit. Mudit Maitreya.
Yes, sir.
We started with the first problem. Okay. We are going to do this workshop. Lot of word problems in 7 days. Okay.
Yes, sir, we understood. Actually, I just understood after seeing.
Perfect. Thank you. So I am going to mute everybody.
Sir, I
Anybody?
just joined. Sir, actually, it has been 3 minutes since I've been in the class, so I understood whatever you told.
Very good. I am going to mute everybody. I'll unmute one by one everyone whom I want to ask. But from now on, everybody will start writing answer on chat. Let's try the next problem. So this is how we started with the word problems analyzing. Let's try next one. Suppose if I say this problem will be solved by, let me think. First everybody will solve. Prachi, you will explain this, okay? After 1 minute. Everybody solve, write answer on chat. Prachi will explain step by step. I'll put my comments. Oscar sold 2 glasses of milk for every 5 sodas he sold. If he sold 10 glasses of milk, how many sodas did he sell? Prachi will explain and everybody write answer on chat. We'll go step by step. This is like some kind of ratio, but I'm not going to use ratio. I'm going to use normal maths. Oscar sold 2 glasses of milk for every 5 sodas he sold. Prachi, how will you solve this? Let me unmute Prachi. We have Braj and Prachi. Yes, Prachi, you can unmute now.
Yes, sir.
Prachi, explain every step how you're going to analyze and solve it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Start.
So first of all, we'll write like Oscar sold 2 glasses of milk,
Okay.
and
2 glasses of milk. Okay.
then he sold 10 glasses of milk.
So 2 glasses of milk is related to 5 of sodas, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, so they're asking how many sodas do we sell?
Correct. If we sold 10 glasses of milk,
Yeah.
so milk is 10 now, 10 glasses. So then how many will be sodas? How we do? What is the method? For every 2 glass of milk, 5 sodas. For every 2, 5. So there are 2 ways of doing it. Prachi, your way of doing it, tell me, do you know it?
7.
Prachi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Do you know? If not, no, don't worry, I have explained.
Sir, you explain.
Okay. Tanishka, how will you do this? If it is 2 glasses of milk, then 5 glasses of soda. Tell me, Tanishka.
So we can for one milk there is for one milk there is 5/2 sodas.
5 by 2 soda. There is one way of saying it. 2 milk is 5 soda. If you make it 1 milk, it is half of that, so 5 by 2 soda. There is also one way of solving it. Now 1 milk is 5 by 2 soda. So 10 milk will be
5/2 into 10.
5 by 2 into 10 because 10 times of that. So 5 by 2 into 10. So it gives me
25.
25. That is one way of solving, guys. Another way of solving is, see, it's a ratio kind of thing. 2 milk become 10 milk. How 2 becomes 10? When you multiply with 5, then only 2 becomes 10, correct? If 2 milk become 10 milk with 5 times, so 5 soda also will become 5 times. So 5 into 5. How much? 25. So whenever you have comparison given like this, if 1 glass is equal to this, or 2 cup is equal to this, or 3 cup is equal to 4 bottle, just find ratios. If 2 milk is equal to 5 sodas, how much will be 10 milk equal to? So if 2 milk become 10 means 2 into 5. So 5 soda also is 5 into 5. So 25. Right, everybody? Yeah, you can use unitary method also. Now tell me, same question, everybody write answer on chat now. I am modifying the question. I am saying for 3 glasses of milk and 5 sodas he sold, then tell me this one. Everybody write on chat. What will answer now before we move on to next question? Mudit says 50. Everyone should write, every one of you. Is it 250? Is it 50 or is it what? Shriya Patil, what should be the answer? So I muted Shriya now.
Sir, it is 50 by mistakenly. I wrote
No,
250.
that's fine. Explain. I don't think that. Just explain.
Oh, so
3
for
becomes
3 it is
30.
5. Okay, for 3 it is 30. So for 5 it is how much? So 3 tens are
3 milk, right?
yeah
And it becomes
30
30
soda.
milk.
30 glass.
Correct?
Then yeah, so 3 into 10 is 30.
So similarly, 5
So
sodas
will be 50
equals
glasses
5
of
into
milk.
10.
Yeah.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
Everyone can get this? CC crystal clear? We'll move to different type now. Say CC, we'll move on to next one. Shlok, you are going to solve this. You are going to tell answer and you will explain it. Everybody write the answer. Shlok will explain it. We are going to do very easy today. We're going to slowly increase the level in next every day. Okay? Everybody write the answer. Shlok will explain step by step after half minute, after 30 seconds. Shlok, you are unmuted. Okay? Joy participated in a dance-a-thon. His team started dancing at 10 a.m. on Friday. They stopped at 6 p.m. on Saturday. How many hours did Joy's team dance? Maitreya, does not matter. Dance-a-thon again, like how do marathon, how we say hackathon, dance-a-thon.
Joy participated in a dance-a-thon. His team started dancing at 10 a.m. on Friday and stopped at 6 p.m.
Correct.
on Saturday. How many hours did Joy's team dance?
So Friday 10 a.m. start, correct?
Saturday 6 p.m. So they can't dance for that long.
It is not that kind of question. It is a maths question, right?
Yes, sir. So it will be
Then why you say they cannot dance so long? Are we
same,
doing philosophical question?
on the same day, in the same day, it will be 8 hours because 10 a.m. plus 2 hours is 12. 12
Okay.
plus 6 hours is 6 p.m. So in a normal day, it will be 8 hours. And if they add another 24 hours, 24 plus 8 is 32. So it will be 32 hours.
Okay. 32 hours. Okay. Let's see everybody what it says. Shlok explained it is 32 hours. What other says? Shlok said Friday 10 a.m. started, Saturday 6 p.m. stopped. So if you see Friday, if he is counting only for Friday, which is correct, he is counting from Friday 10 to 6. There are too many different ways of solving it. He is counting Friday 10 to 6. So 8 hours till 6 p.m. That is also one way. And then Friday 6 p.m. to Saturday 6 p.m. 24 hours more. Because 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. So total is 8 plus 24. 32 hours. That is one way of solving. Other way of solving is Friday 10 a.m. to Saturday 10 a.m. Same time, 24 hours. And then 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. 8 hours. 32 hours. Another way of understanding is count only for Friday. Friday 10 a.m. till midnight. How many hours from Friday 10 a.m. till midnight of Friday? 14 hours. Then Saturday. There are so many different ways. Saturday from midnight till 6 p.m. 18 hours, right? Whichever you feel easy. So total is 32 hours. Either way we get 32 hours is the right answer. Very easy questions to start with. Tell me anybody any question or we'll move on. Clear? Let's try the next one now. Let's try this now. Again, we are starting with easy today. We are going to increase the level slowly in next 7 days. So you have to make sure that you are solid in this. Susan traveled 114 miles or 114 miles in 2 hours. If she keeps going at the same rate, how long will it take her to go the remaining 285 miles of her trip? Everybody start. I'll tell you who will solve this. Everybody start writing your answers. Asta will solve this problem. Okay, Asta, be ready. Let everybody get the answers. You will explain then how to approach. Susan traveled 114 miles in 2 hours. If she keeps going at the same rate, how long will it take her to go to the remaining 285 miles of her trip? Keep writing answers, whatever you feel. I'll explain how to work on this. See, some problems you will find difficult, some of you will find very easy. Overall, we'll cover many questions, okay? Keep solving. Asta will start after 30 seconds. Asta, let's start. Explain how will you approach.
Sir, I will do that. 114 miles for 2 hours. So how many hours for 285 miles?
So how we'll do that first? 114 miles
Equal to
in 2 hours.
in 2 hours.
So how much she is traveling every hour? So that will be very easy, right? Every hour, in 2 hours, somebody is going 114 miles. Then every hour it will go,
114 by 2.
which is 57 miles. Means 57 miles per hour, right?
Yes, sir.
So everybody understood why we do like, because we got per mile, per hour now. Now Asta is saying we need total 285 miles. And every hour is covered 57 miles. So what I will do? Obviously will divide 285 by
57.
Why do you divide? Because it's like that. 57 miles, then 57 miles, then 57 miles. Every hour 57 miles occur. What is concept of division? Basic concept of division is divide the whole thing into parts, right? For example, suppose this is my some big say box or any say big piece of wood. So divide one part, two part. Division means this only, right? Similarly, assume the whole journey is 285 miles. So first journey you covered in 1 hour 57. Second hour again 57. So that's why division. So 285 by 57, normal division. If you do, it is 5 hours. Very easy, everyone. Maitreya,
Yes.
not 430. Why 430, Maitreya? Thank you, Asta. Two easy questions to start with. Any question? I'm going to move next one now. Not question? Okay, all good then. Let's try next one. Big question, but it should be very easy. Very big question, but very easy. Read it. Let me put in the one line. The students at Norton School were asked to name their favorite type of pet. Of the 430 students surveyed, 258 said that their favorite type of pet was a dog. Suppose that only 100 students are surveyed with similar results. How many students would say that the dog is their favorite type of pet? Again, numbers are bad. So let's see what technique you use here. You may approximate. How shall we approach this question? Maitreya, you will explain this, okay? How should we approach this question? Maitreya, start. The students at Norton School were asked to name their favorite type of pet. Of the this much surveyed, 250 said their favorite type. Maitreya, unmute, please. Maitreya, are you able to hear me? Yes, Maitreya. And everybody should write answer, your answers, please. Maitreya, you are not able to unmute. Who want to explain this? Who want to explain this? Asha? Okay, Mudit, you try it out.
Yes, sir.
How should we do this?
I tried. I am not so sure, but I subtracted 430 with 258.
Okay.
And
See, it's like this. Of 430 students,
yes, sir.
250 said their favorite type of pet was dog. So out of 430, 258, right?
Yes, sir.
It's again a question of kind of a ratio question, not subtraction, addition. Ratio always works on multiplication or division. Ratio means if this is to this, then what? We done one question before that, right? Soda wala question. Same way. Out of 430, 258 said their favorite was dog. But if 430 becomes 100,
Then a basic. How do you do that? 430 cannot be divided to 100.
it can be. You have to find approximately how much this is going to this.
Oh,
430
okay.
divided by what 430 divided by becomes 100 approximately. I can get exactly also. But if you want to do round, 430 becomes 100 means approximately divided by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So 250 also divided by 4, approximate answer will be divided by 4. How much you get?
Divide by 4, I will
Around
get.
that.
Yes, sir.
So it means that ratio, if 430 is to 58, what would be 100? And the best way to solve this question is, let me write now in a ratio way. Ratio says like that. If I have one ratio with ratio 2, is always proportional to say, I'll say rather things, say T1, T2, anything.
Yes,
What
sir.
is my first ratio is given 258. Second is sorry, 430. The 430 ratio is 258. Then definitely 100 should be something, say T. So now how we solve this? You know rule of basic ratio, rule of proportion. Multiply this with this, multiply this with this.
Yes, sir.
And both should be equal. Ratio of proportion or rule of proportion is, remember this, product of extreme is always equal to product of mean. You know what does it mean, Mudit?
I don't know extreme, but I do know mean.
I'll explain. In this case, guys, it's a ratio concept. Product of X, we can use directly also, but I'm explaining ratio concept. Extreme means corner ones.
Yes,
So,
sir.
see, extreme means corner one. Who is the corner? 430 NT. Mean means the center one. So you will say 430 into T should be equal to 258 into 100. Product of extreme, because ratio always works like that.
Yes, sir.
First question also we could have done. So we want to get the value of T, 258 into 100 divided by 430. Whatever answer you get is your answer. Obviously you get answer more than 60, correct? You want
Yes,
to
sir.
calculate this? Approximately you will get, say, 60.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Understood,
That is
everybody?
easy.
It is not difficult at all. Because
Yes.
43 times 6 is 258. But again, it's not about numbers. It's about what ratio means. So I'll explain same question with an easy example. If I say, mute yourself, Mudit, now. If 2 red means 5 green, it is the same type of question. Then 7 red will mean what? Will mean how many greens? Again, it's a ratio of same problem. So you will say ratio 1, red 1 with red 2 should be equal to or proportional to green 1 with green 2. What is red 1? 2. Red 2? 7. Green 1? 5. So green 2 we have to find out. Again do product of mean equal to product of extreme. This into this should be equal to product of mean. So 2 multiply with G2, second green, should always be equal to 7 into 5. So same thing we did last time, same, this also we are doing same thing. So that is how you, because ratio is an important aspect. So to get G2, 7 into 5 by 2 means 70.5. Yes, Mudit, what do you want to say? Saksham, you got it now? This ratio, this is equal to 7 ratio something.
Yes, sir. Actually, what I wanted to say was, then the answer shouldn't the answer be 7 into 5 divided by 7 into 5 divided by 2?
No, it is like that only. 7 into 5 divided by 2 only.
Oh, okay, sir.
I solved it directly. 7 into 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Right? Saksham, what question you have?
So, I didn't understand how did you get the answer?
So understand how ratio works. See, 2G2 is 7 by this. When G2 means 2 comes here. So 7 into 5 by 2. 35 by 2 is 17.5. For example, I make the numbers easy for you now. Listen everybody. But main thing is how to understand the ratio problem. See, if I change the quotient to this, 2 red means 5, then say 2 red means 6 green, suppose. Then 8 red will mean how many green? So what we'll do now, Saksham and everybody? How many red ones are there, Saksham?
Yes, sir.
How many red ones? Reds
many
are there
red ones?
starting 2 reds.
2 reds, yeah. And 2 reds equal to 6 greens.
So green is 6 right here, okay? How many second reds are there? 8.
Yeah.
And we have to find out how many green will be there.
Sir, will into 6 into 8.
I'll write that. First write the ratio. See, ratio 1 with ratio 2 or red 1 with red 2 should be equal to grid with grid 2, right?
Yeah.
This is the concept of ratio everywhere. So how will you do is, this multiply by this should be equal to this multiply by this, okay?
Yes.
So 2 into G is 2G.
Yeah.
8 into 6, correct?
Yeah.
So if you have to get the value of G, 2 should come to the denominator. So G will be equal to 8 into 6 by 2, right?
Yeah. 8 into 6 by 2.
So how many it is? 24.
What should 8 into 6? Now 0.2.
48 by 2, so 24, right? So you got 24 as G. Now if you want to verify, guys, you can verify. See, if G is 24, I'll write 24 here. See, what is 8 into 6? 48.
48.
What is 2 into 24? 48.
48. 2
So
into
ratio
24.
remains same. So that is why ratio always remains same. So all this quotient 2 red, 3 green, 3 red, all can be done like this. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Let's move on. Yes, Asha, it is very easy. It's like a ratio concept. Next one now. Let me get a good question. Give me 1 second, please. Let me get easy one because difficult will start with tomorrow. Let me fractions and decimals we'll do tomorrow. First we do normal quotient today. Okay. Which other easy one? How we do this question? Very easy, but still, how you do this question? Write everybody the answer on this chat. What should be the answer for this? Easy question, but just you have to understand the method. The temperature at midnight was 4 degrees Fahrenheit. By 2 a.m., it had dropped 9 degrees Fahrenheit. What was temperature at 2 a.m.? Maths is very easy here. You just understand what to do where. It is very easy. It says it was 4 degree Fahrenheit. The temperature was 4 degree. Dropped by 9. Dropped by means reduced. It reduced by 9. So it becomes 4 minus 9, which is equal to minus 5 degree Fahrenheit. Very easy. You know, in India we use centigrade. In other countries, in US or in Europe, even in Australia, we use Fahrenheit. Either way, it's all about 4 degree becomes minus 9. So, temperature was minus 5 degree Fahrenheit. Too easy. From tomorrow, I'm going to start little more difficult questions. Try this one. A bus picks up a group of tourists at a hotel. The sightseeing bus travels 2 blocks north, 2 blocks east, 1 block south, 2 blocks east, and 1 block south. What is the bus in relation to the hotel? Means you have to, where is the bus? You have to tell which direction. Everyone try please. In which direction is the bus? Shreya says north. What are others? How will we solve this question? Tanishka, how will you solve this question? So let's put first something like this, okay? Tanishka?
Yes, sir.
Say some axes are there. Everybody knows east, west, north, south. This is east. This is west. This is north. This is south, right, Tanishka?
Yes, sir.
Let's start. A bus picks up a tourist at a hotel. Say hotel will draw somewhere in the center. This is my hotel, okay? So now a bus picks up a group of tourists at a hotel. The bus travels 2 blocks north. So suppose that 2 blocks are something like that, okay? Right, Tanishka?
Yes, sir.
2 blocks. Then 2 blocks east. Something like that.
Yes, sir.
2 blocks. You have to tell now.
Huh.
Now we meant to east. Then 1
block
block south.
So towards south.
Bottom, right? South. But 1 block only. Say 1 block only. Then
2 blocks east.
2 blocks
blocks.
east again. 2 blocks east. Then
1 block south.
again 1 block south. So now it reached this line, correct?
Yeah.
So now my bus became, say here. Guys, it is too easy question. My bus came here now.
Yeah.
So where is the bus in relation to the hotel? Which direction?
East.
And how far?
4 blocks.
Each block is, each big line is 2 blocks, right?
Yeah, 4 blocks.
I can write here, this is my 2 blocks, this is my 2 blocks, this is my 1 block, this is my 2 block, this is my 1 block, correct?
Yeah.
So where is the bus in relation to hotel? Bus is in the east side, east of the hotel. How many blocks? 2 blocks. 4 blocks. So
Yeah.
bus is at 4 blocks toward east. That's it. Thank you. Why not everyone write? Yeah, everyone wrote east. That is fine. Also write the numerical value. Very easy. Let's try another problem, different type. Good, Mudit. Very good. Now, last question before we move on to today's class. Try this question. This is a little difficult than earlier. You have to think a lot. Last question, think. Anita left her home for the bus stop 15 minutes earlier than usual. It takes 10 minutes to reach the stop. Mudit, you have to write AM PM. Everybody should solve this and give me the answer, please. Prachi, Shlok, Saksham, Bridge. So this is the home. So this is the bus stop. It takes from here to here 10 minutes. It takes 10 minutes to reach from here to here. Everybody should write. Bridge and Prachi, whose answer is 855? Tanishka says 905. Shlok says 920. Mudit says 920. Shaksa says 935. What about Asta? What about Asha? What about Maitreya? Prachi's answer is 855. See now, I'll solve now. Everybody wrote their final answer, no changes. It takes 10 minutes to reach the stop. Okay. She reached the stop at 9:20. What it says? Reached today at 9:20 a.m. Today she reached at 9:20 a.m. Not every day, today. It takes 10 minutes to travel. It means she would have started at what time today? Means started today at 9:10 a.m. Right, everybody? So 9:10 a.m. she started today and she reached 9:20. 10 minutes takes. No, it says Anita left her home the first of 15 minutes earlier. Today she started 15 minutes earlier. She started 9:10 a.m., which is 15 minutes earlier than the normal time. So normal time will be 15 minutes more than this. So it means every day she starts at, what is 15 minutes more than this? 9:25 a.m. That's it. It means every day she starts at 9:25 a.m. What time does she usually leave her home for the bus stop? She leaves generally at 9:25 a.m. So 9:25 is the answer. Got everybody? Nothing else. No 9:35, no 8:55, nothing. Bridge and Prachi, unmute. Mudit, wait. Wait, Mudit.
Yes, sir.
Bridge and Prachi.
Yes, sir.
See, she reached today 9:20, correct?
Yeah.
It takes 10 minutes. So what time she would have started today?
9:10 a.m.
So today she started 9:10 a.m., correct?
Yes.
She said Anita left her home for the bus stop 15 minutes earlier than usual. She started 9:10, but it's 15 minutes early than regular time.
Okay.
So should be what? 9:25 or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
That's
sir.
it.
Understand.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Anybody, any question yet? Anybody, any question? Yeah, Asta, doesn't matter. You get the same answer or not? I want, if approach you apply anywhere, but answer is same. Good. So this is what? Mudit, share quickly. We are running out of time now. My next class starting quickly.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was saying that I got a different answer only. The
You
answer
understood the final answer?
I got that she starts at 9:05 usually.
Not 9:05. Why 9:05?
So because she reaches the stop this time at 9:20. So that's 15.
See,
Like
not
today.
reaches. She reached today only, not every day.
Yes, I know. She reaches the stop at 9:20. So
Okay.
9:20 minus 10 is equal to
9:10.
9:10 is when she's like at the starting point
Okay.
before the bus stop. Then she normally leaves like she leaves the home at 9:05 then every day.
No, who said no? See, listen. Mudit, 9:10 she started today, right?
Yes, sir.
So she started 50 minutes early today.
Yes, sir.
So she started early today means what is her starting time every day then?
Then every day it should be 9:05.
15 minutes early. So Mudit, I'll answer this. Forget this question now. Mudit, today suppose you went to school at 8 a.m. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And if I say you went at 30 minutes early today, so what time you go to school every day? 7:30 or 8:30?
8:30.
Then?
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you guys, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a nice time. See you tomorrow. We'll do more difficult questions, okay? Bye bye.